Today I wanted to try something a little different, something just for fun. I was thinking about what would happen if two of the most famous cartoon worlds collided. Nickelodeon and Disney. Spongebob has this playful, loose energy, with soft corners and cheerful chaos, while Mickey is all about clean design, perfect circles, and that timeless vintage charm. They both represent two sides of cartoon history, and I've wondered what would it look like if those worlds met on one page. So I'm calling this little experiment Mickey Bob Square Ears. I don't have a final design in mind, just a few notes on what makes each character unique. I'll probably start with SpongeBob's square frame since that gives me a solid base to build from, and then I'll play with the proportions. This isn't about perfection or precision, it's about exploring the space between two iconic styles and seeing what new character can emerge from it. Now let's dive in and see where this drawing takes us. Let's wrap up our drawing by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and there it is. There's our Mickey Bob square ears. Quite honestly, I didn't know what to expect when I started, but that's what I love about these fusion drawings. If you enjoyed watching this come to life, let me know what two characters you'd like to see me fuse next. Thanks for hanging out and drawing with me, and I'll see you in the next one.